back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Tonight is Friday. Yes, I'm staying in. I'm in my garage. It's about 11 p.m. The wife is asleep. The baby's asleep. I just got back from Las Vegas last night, so I'm a little tired, but I'm stoked because my carbon fiber mirror caps arrived in the mail. So they're from Mashimoto.com. I will link him in the description below. These are excellent quality. I was a little worried because when I opened the box, it said they were made in China. And that kind of had me worried, but after taking a look at them, they look like they're very good quality. We're gonna install those tonight. We're going to ceramic coat them. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into installing these. It's not very difficult. You actually don't have to remove the glass. It's just this piece right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this interior pick tool and see how it's curved right there. We're gonna just start on the corner of this, get it underneath there. You can hear some cracking from the plastic. Try not to panic. And just kind of wedge out this piece. Oof, be careful, bro. Oof, she's pretty in there. All right, there we go. Just pop it up. Try not to scratch the paint while I'm doing this. Be a little more aggressive. Let's go. Oh, that did not sound good. Oh no. Okay, did we break anything? No. Okay, what we're gonna do is insert this peg into this hole. Stick it in nice and deep. Feel a good pop. Oof. Okay, what's going on here? Just like oh, there we go. Okay. That was actually harder than I thought it was going to be. Okay, now we're going to make sure this thing is in there. Last thing we want is this thing flying off on the freeway. There we go. A couple good pops. Okay. And we are done. Pretty easy. Good fitment. Carbon weave is really good. I'm actually surprised at how good this carbon weave is. Good stuff. Good fitment down below. Looks good. So I'm not going to be using this code, but I'll let one of you guys take advantage of this. So I'll have the link to these in the description below, and then go ahead and use this promo code, comeback10, get 10 bucks off. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and ceramic these mirror caps, especially in the summertime. I wanna protect them from the UV rays and prevent any sort of discoloration. So first thing I do is use Carpro Eraser to get the surface as clean as possible. This has an alcohol agent in it, so it's gonna let the ceramic coating bind to the surface. The product that I like to use when ceramic coating the exterior of the car is by Avalon King. I'll also have this linked below. I love this stuff. It works really well. There's a lot of cheap knockoffs. This stuff is a little pricier, but I promise you it's worth it. 8 drops, and that should cover this hole. Okay, if you haven't ceramic coated before, what you're gonna do is start from left to right. You're gonna go in a crosshatch pattern. So we'll start left to right, and then we're gonna go top down. This way it makes sure that it is distributed evenly. Cool. Let that dry, and then for about probably 5 minutes. Okay, once the ceramic coating has fully cured, you'll notice it fully cures once it changes to almost an oily looking color. There's a lot of purple and yellow in there. Translucent, I think that's the word I'm looking for. You can also apply another layer. You just have to wait an hour before doing so. I think I will do that. I feel like carbon bits have a thinner clear coat on them, so I want to protect them as much as possible. All right, overall opinion, overall review on these mirror caps, I think they're a 9 out of 10. OEM would be 10 out of 10. These are excellent quality, excellent fitment, and on par, especially for the price. So check them out at mashimura.com. They are in stock, free shipping. Only took 3 days to get here from Washington. So check him out. I will link it below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. Like, subscribe. See you next time.